Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So to do that, we should first hold for a while the application and then drag this app to another one. And now we can see here the new created home screen folder. By the same way, you can add here more applications. If you want to give a name to the folder, you should click here to edit name and enter. After that, just tap to the home button, and now we can see that we just successfully give a name to our folder. You can also rename this folder by the same way. If you want to move folder here on the screen, you should hold it and after that drag it. We can also make folders between the screens, and if you want to create the new screen with a folder, that's not a problem, just hold it and drag it to the right side of the screen. If you want to remove the application from here, you should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen. But if you want to remove the application from the home screen and from the folder, you should hold it and drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application here in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.